Hi guys, so sorry about not having any videos for quite a while, but unfortunately what I've been doing is just sanding and filling, prepping the body for painting, and it's very boring work and I got really sick of it. I just spent a couple of months doing that and I still didn't do a very good job, but anyway the painting worked out good. So we painted it Squadron Blue, which is a 1978 colour, and I used a Renegade gravity feed spray gun, which only cost $65 from Trade Tools, and that did a fairly good job really. And now, as you can see, we started the fit out, fitted the handbrake. You see all of the stuff that we bought ready to go. We bought the gauges from SAAS. We put in a new power booster because we've got disc brakes. It was suggested that we put in a power booster. I've already preliminarily fitted that, but I had to take it out because we've got to fit the engine. And so we've got the pedals in there, you can see, and brand new brake master cylinder, and we reconditioned the clutch master cylinder. And have a look, the expansion tank came up really well, painted silver with a new cap. And this is the best part, we picked up our new engine. Check it out, right? Nice chrome extractors, and it's been fully reconditioned, and it's virtually everything's new on it. And yeah, it's looking really good, and it sounds really good as well. We tested it out this morning, and now we're just about to fit it, so we'll catch up with the fitting of it in the next video. Okay? Mummy better not ring. Oh yeah, it's round like that.
What was the other way? We did the other way before.
Oh.
We'll be able to get around it.
Yeah. No, I think we're just going to be able to make it. Yeah, we're going to be in the right spot, I reckon. About there, yeah, about there.
We'll let it down.
Yeah. Yeah, you're going to be good on letting it down because it's a very crucial job.
Yeah, okay.
Very slow. Now go, stop it. Now go back a bit. Righto. Down, a bit more, and then it's going beautiful. Yeah. I think it's just going to miss. I think it's just going to miss both sides.
So this is where I might have to just twist it around in a position. How is it that end?
So can we undo that?
What do you mean? Take it
I'll
off.
take this off.
Then go down.
Yeah. No. Job, eh? We got all that. Yeah, that's a big milestone. Yeah, check it out.
The engine in.
Yeah, we'll have to do a little video now.
Well, give me a minute.
Oh, we'll get the rest on first. I got the extractors in. They fit.
Oh, I can't see them.
No, I'll take this. I've got to go and have a drink of water.
Use a spring washer. The spring washer.
Spring washer? For that,
Yes, on each spring.
hang on. No, that's these ones, I think. Stainless steel springies, head.